In an orchard near Nairobi, Kenya, Jonathan Kipruto oversees 3,500 farmers contracted by the packhouse Kakuzi. He says this year's harvest has been good.
We have produced a good volume of the avocados. We've done about 9 million kgs of exportable avocado.
Some of these avocados will travel thousands of kilometers from East Africa to supermarket shelves in Shanghai and Beijing. In 2019, Chinese regulations allowed only frozen avocados to be imported from Kenya because of fruit fly concerns. Now the country has been cleared, and Kenyan farmers hope that what's sometimes called green gold lives up to its name. The regulation change, a milestone for the Kenyan crop, puts the two countries one step closer toward addressing their trade imbalance.
Chinese market is really important. It's quite small at the moment in comparison to Europe, but there's a huge potential.
Kakuzi's UK-based majority stakeholder, Camellia, paid millions of dollars last year to settle claims of human rights abuses by guards on the Kakuzi estate. Some British supermarkets cut ties. Despite such allegations, Kakuzi was the first Kenyan company to ship fresh avocados to China. The manager of Sunripe, another packhouse exporting to China, says large businesses will not be the only ones to feel the positive impact of more fresh avocado exports.
The benefits from the China market will still trickle down to our farmers, the small-scale farmers.
But some Kenyans have criticized the high tariffs and import duty of 7% placed on the avocados, saying it will make it harder for Kenya to compete with avocados from countries like Mexico and Peru, which are tariff-free. The Chinese embassy in Nairobi did not reply to VOA's request for comment. Even with avocado exports, Kenya continues to experience trade imbalance with China, and it's not the only one on the continent.
There's been a bone of contention between the continent and China for quite a while.
In 2021, Chinese President Xi Jinping promised to increase imports to 300 billion in the next 3 years, and Beijing has been making a push into the agricultural space.
The continent has a lot of productive capacity in agriculture, and China has a shortage of food. And therefore, there is this very significant opportunity, of which I think this avocado story is like an initial prologue to the bigger story.
While Kenya looks forward to doing more business with the largest consumer market in the world, it is also in talks with Malaysia to further expand its avocado market. Kate Bartlett for VOA News.